Sorry, miss, my Zoom was not working.
No problem. Okay. Are you clear with this? What we have done, like
Yes.
the
Miss,
protein.
you were asking something. Your voice broke, then the meeting ended.
I was saying that I was giving you the example, like if you have a wall made of bricks, right? And you break that wall, you will get the small pieces of brick, right? You will get many bricks, small pieces of bricks. You will not get gold from that, or you will not get any silver. Similar is
Yes.
the case here. When we talk about the proteins, we need to check how proteins are formed. Okay, so how proteins are formed? They are formed from the amino acids, right?
Okay.
So if you will break proteins, then obviously you will be getting amino acids, right?
Okay.
You can't get any other thing. Why we can't get any other thing? Because the composition of proteins was only amino acid. They were made from the amino acids. So you will just get the amino acid when your body breaks it. Okay. So the two reactions occur in our body. Sometimes, when we eat the chicken, egg, or fish, any other thing, fish or steak, anything. So what happens basically initial at the initial stages, this is broken down. This chicken is digested. Okay, and when it is digested, there was this chicken has proteins, right? This chicken has proteins. So when your body will digest it, what your body will get?
Digest.
When your body will digest the chicken,
Yes.
what you what your body will get by
Amino
digesting the
acids.
chicken? Amino acids,
Amino.
right? So this initially you have taken the proteins, those proteins are broken down, and now your body has amino acids. Okay, so
Yes.
these amino acids will go to the region where there is need to make protein. Just like in the hair, you need to
Yes.
make hair protein, right? The keratin protein. So amino
Yes.
acids will combine there. Okay, so this is what happens in our body. Initially, whatever the thing is, that is broken down into smaller pieces, like the carbohydrate. Those carbohydrate will be broken down into smaller sugar pieces, like the glucose. Okay, and where there it is needed, it can recombine. So similar is the case here. Firstly, whatever food we will take, whatever protein type we will take, that protein will be digested and converted into amino
Amino
acid.
acids.
Okay. And where this amino acid will be needed, at that location, this amino acid will again combine to form the protein. Okay. A new
Okay.
protein within the body. So this happens in our body. And in the first process, you are breaking the protein to make amino acid. That means you are adding water. Okay. You are doing hydrolysis, right?
Okay.
Hydrolysis means to break protein. And in the below process, like when you are going from amino acid to protein, you are building a protein. It means you will remove water. Okay. This is dehydration. Are you clear with these things? If you have any confusion, you can ask here.
Okay.
Are you clear?
Yes, but I did not understand this line.
Dehydration.
Yes, I did what you just said, this line.
I'm saying that you have amino acids, right? And your body wants to make a protein. What will be done? Amino acids will combine, right? Amino acids. Many amino acids will combine to make the
Combine
protein.
and be remove.
Okay. To make a protein, what is needed? Dehydration is needed or hydrolysis is needed. Remember, amino acids are small, okay, smaller molecules, and you're making a big molecule, right?
Okay.
So you are building something. What is needed? Will we add water to the amino acids or we will remove the water? What will be done?
What will be done?
Hmm.
Will he like add it type of?
Now, if you will add water, adding water means you are doing hydrolysis, okay?
Yes. And
So
if you remove it, it means like dehydration.
dehydration. So hydrolysis cannot occur here. Why can't hydrolysis occur here? Why can't we add water to this?
Why can't we add water?
You
Can't.
told me hydrolysis, but I'm saying hydrolysis is not the answer for this. You
Yes.
can't add hydrolysis to the amino acid to make protein. My question is
Yes.
that why we can't do hydrolysis?
Because if we are going from
Hmm.
bigger to smaller,
No, this see this. What we are doing? We are making protein from amino acids, right? We are
so
making
it's
protein from small to
so it's
big,
bigger.
right?
Yes.
So it means we are building something.
Yes. So it
So
means smaller to bigger.
yeah, smaller to bigger. So this is
Oh, okay.
what is this? Dehydration or hydrolysis?
So it will be dehydration.
Yes, it will be
Dehydration.
dehydration. It means you will remove water. Okay. Remember,
Okay.
hydrolysis mean what? What is the meaning of hydrolysis? Hydro means
Hydro means can I say
hydra. What is hydra?
hydrolysis? So
Water,
water break.
water,
Water break.
break. It means to break something in the presence of water, right?
Water. Yes.
What we break usually? We break bigger things or smaller things?
Bigger things.
Yeah. That's why hydrolysis cannot occur here because this is small. You are making a big thing from the small thing. How can you add
Okay.
water to a small thing? Okay, you know what will happen if you will add water to this? Amino acid will further break. They will break into smaller pieces. Like carbon will separate, carboxylic group will separate, NH2 group will separate, R group will separate. All these group will be separated if you will add water to the amino acid. You will not
Okay.
get protein from this. Okay. So remember this thing. Whenever we are going from a smaller to a bigger thing, dehydration is done. Okay. And if you are going from a big thing to a small thing, it means you are breaking, right? If you go from protein to amino acid, like this one, protein to amino acid, this one, it means you will break it, right? You will break the protein. So in the breaking process, we do hydrolysis. Okay.
Yes.
In breaking process, we do hydrolysis. In building process, we do dehydration. Clear?
Yes.
These are the two processes which are very important to remember. Okay. One more thing about the proteins. This is the last, very last lecture of the proteins. From tomorrow onward, we are going to study the lab equipments, the safety protocols. What are the
Okay.
safety protocols and what should be done if
Okay.
there is fire in the lab? What can we
Yes,
do?
I have a little bit. I have like
Mm.
I know it a little bit.
You know
The
about
lab
the
safety
fire?
equipment.
Yeah, fire extinguishers. You know what are the function of those?
Yes.
What they do?
The fire extinguishers, like they
Yes.
remove the fire
Yeah. How?
by the pressure of it. Like they have
Mm.
foam in it.
Yes.
Like
Yes. Exactly. And you know what does this sign tell us? This just like this sign. Have you ever seen like this sign over there? Yellow.
this.
Yeah.
No, I don't think so. I've seen this one.
This is about the electricity. I didn't make it correct. Maybe it is related to electricity. And sometimes there is
Oh,
like this one. Yeah, this one.
okay.
What is this? What is this sign for?
Hazard. Like
Yeah,
no.
hazard,
Yeah,
danger.
yeah,
It is
hazard type of.
danger. Sometimes they have make a skull, right? Sometimes there is a
Yes.
skull as well. This sign tells us that there is hazard. This can be hazardous. So it means you
Yes.
need to follow the protocols, right?
Yes.
You will study that. It's a very interesting chapter. Okay, so these amino acids we have discussed that there are total how many amino acids are there? There are
Total of
20 amino acids, right?
yes.
And among those 20 amino acids, 10 are essential
Yes. 10 are essential and
and
the
10
rest
are non-essential, right?
are non-essential.
They are already present in our body. Non-essential are already present in our body. That's why we say they are non-essential. We don't take
Yes.
need to take them from food. But essential, we need to take them by food, right?
Yes.
Okay. So these amino acids in our body, they can be arranged in different forms. Okay, just like we have different levels in the school. Like
Yes.
we have primary section, then there is a middle section, there is a secondary section, there is a higher secondary section, there is a high school, right? Like the
Yes.
middle. If you remember, if you know about the IB programs, there are PYP, MYP, primary,
NYP.
MYP, middle year program. Then
Oh, like national junior high.
yeah, yeah, that's exactly like that. So there are different levels, right?
Like these are the like we can say them like these are really intelligent students for them, right?
Yeah, no, it is dependent on the age and class. Like PYP, this is the primary level. Like this, in this, the students are of the age till 10 maybe. Like they can be from Montessori till fifth grade. Okay, till fifth grade. Then MYP is from fifth grade to eighth, right?
Okay.
Then there is uh DP, IBDP, and IBHL, high school. So these are levels. Just like, in Pakistan, in your school, there can be primary section, there is secondary section, right? There is school and there is high school. What are the sections in your school? You,
Uh,
hmm,
Miss, first it was till 6, then it was till 7, then it was till 8 in
yeah,
Pakistan.
yeah, like that. Similar.
Yes.
So similarly, there are levels. These amino acids have different levels. The first one is primary level. In primary level, amino acids are like this. Just they're present in a sequence form. Okay. So
Yes.
if in our body, if you see a amino acid like this, you will say this is the primary level of amino acids, right?
Okay.
Okay. In secondary level, when they go in secondary level, they can be present in two forms, like this. Like this is known as alpha helix. Okay, this is alpha helix. This one. Okay, and sometimes they can be present like this. These are beta sheets. Okay,
Yes.
this is secondary level of the amino acids.
Okay.
Then there is a tertiary level. Tertiary means there is a 3D structure. Okay, they have a 3D structure.
Yes.
Actually like this. There is a 3D structure. You can have their x-axis, y-axis, and z-axis as well. Okay, 3D fold.
Okay.
This is the tertiary structure of the amino acid. Then there
Okay.
comes a quaternary structure. Quaternary structure is the most complex. Just like there is high school. High school, that is a very the studies in the high school are very much complex, and you need to work hard,
Keep in the blender. Yes.
right? So similar is the case here. There, the
Yes.
amino acids higher level is what? Quaternary level. Quaternary level is there is the highest level, there is complex level. Okay. So in this level, many chains will be combined, many different chains will combine. Okay.
Okay.
Many different amino acid chains will combine. So how many
Okay.
levels of amino acids are there? The proteins.
How many levels of 10,
Proteins.
20?
No, levels. These are the four levels.
Oh, okay. Levels
Just like
4.
if I ask you what are the levels of education in your school, so you will tell me there are four levels of education. Like there is a primary section. If I ask you the sections, you will say primary section, then secondary section, then middle section, then uh high then middle. After that, what can be there? There can be school, and then there is high school, right? That is also after high school there is college, and then university, and then there is research centers. You directly go to the research centers for PhDs. So these are levels. These are different levels. Similarly, proteins have different levels. The primary level of protein is this, in which amino acids are just like this. You see, simple structure. Amino acids are present like this. So this is known as primary level of the proteins. What about secondary level? How amino acids will be arranged in secondary section? See this. Hmm?
How are these like
Like
changed?
what are the shapes in the secondary level of the proteins? What are the shapes? See this.
N
Alpha helix, okay,
alpha helix, N
and beta sheet.
beta sheet.
Yeah. So it means in secondary level, if in your body any protein is present in the secondary level, that will present in this form. Okay. You can recognize by seeing this that this is a secondary protein. Okay. And if in your body there is a protein which is 3D, it has a 3D structure, then that will be its tertiary structure. Okay.
Yes.
And quaternary is the most complex. There are many proteins which are folded together. So these are the four levels of the proteins which we study in, and they are present in our body in different forms. Like There can be primary level. Some proteins can be present in the primary level. Some proteins in your body can be present in secondary level. Some may be present in tertiary level. Some may be present in the quaternary level. Clear? Just like in school, there are different sections, and you will get student of every section. There will be student from Montessori to till high school, right?
Yes.
Similar is the case here. So these are different levels of the proteins. Are you clear with this?
Yes.
Okay, now last thing, very last thing. These are some types of proteins they have mentioned. They have mentioned their job types as well. They have mentioned their examples. Now you have to explain with this slide. You already know these things. They have mentioned a type like enzyme. Their job is mentioned. Explain me this in your own words.
What, like the
Enzymes. Like if how can you explain this slide to anyone who don't know about the proteins? Any layman. Like consider I don't know about these things.
okay.
What is this? Hmm.
Like, should I explain the whole table now?
Yeah, yeah.
Transport one by one.
Yes.
So enzymes are these are the
Hmm.
biochemical reactions that speed up. Sorry, these
Molecules.
are the these are
Biochemical
enzymes
molecules.
that speed up biochemical reactions,
Hmm.
and
And enzymes are what? These are proteins. Basically,
yes,
whenever you are going to give a presentation in your class, whatever the
mm,
topic is, firstly we explain the topic, right? Like
yes,
you will tell me that these all are the types of proteins.
okay,
Okay, then you will say now I am going to present you different types of proteins, and then
okay,
you can start.
okay.
Hmm. Start again.
Okay. Uh,
Hmm.
okay, enzymes, like I will explain it now in more.
Hmm.
Okay, these they enzymes they accelerate biochemical reactions.
Hmm.
Examples of them are amylase found, which is found in saliva,
Saliva in our saliva.
and
Yes.
it which begins breaking down carbohydrates during digestion.
Yes.
Next is transport. They move molecules from one location to another. Hemoglobin is the prime example, like it's an example, carrying oxygen throughout the bloodstream from lungs to our body.
Yes.
Next is structural. They provide physical shape and support to cells and tissues, such as collagen and keratin in skin, hair,
Collagen.
and
Collagen.
nails.
Yes.
Hormonal. Uh, a little bit I know about this.
Hmm.
It was like they act as chemical signals to coordinate body activities.
Yes.
Insulin is a key. Insulin is a key example that regulates blood sugar levels.
Yes.
Defense. They protect the organism by fighting off foreign invaders like bacteria and viruses. Antibodies perform this protective job. Motor. They generate force and mechanical movement within cells and muscles
Hmm.
driven by proteins
Yes.
like actin
Actin and myosin. These are, actin and
and
myosin are
myosin.
proteins. They help to move, like if you move your hand, if you move your legs, right? Okay, I have a
Yes.
question. Can I ask?
Yes.
Okay. Like you mentioned about the antibodies, that they help to fight against the foreign invaders.
Yes.
What are antibodies?
What are antibodies?
Hmm. Antibodies. Look at the name
They
antibodies.
are Y-shaped proteins which
Hmm.
are made by white blood cells.
Yeah, these are proteins. Basically,
Yes,
these are type of proteins,
proteins.
and antibodies means they perform anti-function against which bodies? The foreign bodies. Okay,
Yes,
whatever foreign body comes to your inside you, the antibodies will fight against them. Okay,
Yes.
right? Yeah. Okay. Good. That was a good attempt. Okay. Yes. I will take your presentation on this chapter once we are done with the chapter number one. Okay. From tomorrow we will start our lab safety equipments. Then you have to give me a presentation on this chapter. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. If you have any question, you can ask. Otherwise, we
I know
can.
not today.
Okay. Okay. Take care.
You too.
Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam wa barakatuh.